Criminology Board Exam Reviewer. Industrial Security Management. Part 3. Types of Protective Alarm Systems. 1. Central Station System. The control station is located outside the installations. When the alarm is sounded by a subscriber, the central station notifies the police or protection agency. 2. Property System. The control system is located inside the installations with its own firefighter, law enforcer, ambulance, or bomb disposal unit. 3. Local Alarm. The signaling is near the alarm itself. When the intruder enters the installation, the alarm goes off scaring the intruder. Purpose is just to scare, not to apprehend intruder. 4. Auxiliary Alarm. The installation owns the protective alarm with the unit in the nearest police station so that in case of need, direct call is possible. Kinds of alarms. 1. Intrusion Alarm. Any detecting devices using electric and their combinations to signal an alarm when actuated. 2. Laser Beam Alarm. A laser emitter floods the wall or fence with a beam so that when this beam is disturbed by a physical object, an alarm is activated. 3. Photocell Alarm. An invisible or visible beam is emitted and when disturbed, it activates an alarm or mechanical device that opens a door or lift movable barriers, activated by light. Basic component of an alarm system. 1. Annunciation. The heart of the system of the detecting device and is the component that activates the triggering unit. 2. Transmission. It transmits what is detected. 3. Triggering device. The one which emits those oral or visual signals or both. Security survey. The detailed check and audit of what an installation or plant does not have in relation to its protection from hazards. Security inspection. A process where physical examination is conducted to determine compliance with established security policies and procedures as a result of security survey. Purpose of security survey. 1. To determine existing state or condition of security. 2. To locate weaknesses and possible defense. 3. To determine degree of protection required. Security hazards. It is an act or condition which result in a situation conducive to a breach of the protection system and the subsequent loss or compromise of defense, information, company secrets, or damage to property, personnel, or facilities. Hazards. Exposure to loss or injury. 2 general categories of security hazards. 1. Human hazard, caused by human action. For example, sabotage, pilferage, theft. 2. Natural hazard, caused by natural phenomena. Types of human hazards. 1. Human carelessness. 2. Accident. 3. Disaffection. 4. Disloyalty. 5. Subversion. 6. Sabotage. 7. Espionage. 8. Pilferage. 9. Theft. 10. Vandalism. Protective security. They are measures taken by an installation or unit to protect against sabotage, espionage or subversion and at the same time provide freedom of action in order to provide the installation or unit with the necessary flexibility to accomplish its mission. 3 aspects of security. 1. Physical security, measures taken to prevent physical access or entry to an installation. 2. Personnel security, measures taken to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to classified documents or information. 3. Document and information security. Types of security. 1. Physical security, the most broad. 2. Industrial security, security of business installations and industrial plants. 3. VIP security, protection of high-level officers and important personnel. 4. Bank security, security of money and assets stored or in transit. 5. Hotel security, Security for hotel guests and their personal belongings and property as well as properties of the hotel. 6. Document security, protection of vital records from loss or unauthorized access. 7. Communication security, measures to prevent or delay the unauthorized person in gaining information through communication. Physical security. Protective barrier, is the physical type of security. Barrier, any structure or physical device capable of restricting, deterring, delaying illegal access into installations. Perimeter barrier, are medium or structures which define the physical limits of an installation or area to restrict or impede access thereto. Any physical barrier used to supplement the protection of the inside perimeter. Inside perimeter, a line of protection adjacent to the protected area and passing through points of possible entry into the area. Outside perimeter, a line of protection but somewhat removed from the protected area. Types of perimeter barrier opening. 1. Gates and doors. 2. Elevators. 3. Air intakes, exhaust tunnels. 4. Clear zone. 5. Top guard. 6. Guard control stations. 7. Tower. 8. Barrier maintenance. 9. Sign and notices. Protective alarms. Supplemental physical barriers in a form of sound that cause alarm installed indoors or outdoors in an installation. Types of alarm systems. 1. Metallic foil wire. 2. Ultrasonic detection device. 3. Vibration detection device. 4. Microwave motion detection device. 5. Audio detection device. 6. Photoelectric or electric eye. Kinds of alarms. 1. Bill traps. 2. Foot rail activator. 3. Knee or thigh button. 4. Foot button. 5. Double squeeze button. Protective lighting. It provides illumination on areas to be secured that adds psychological deterrence. Types of protective lighting. 1. Stationary luminary, consist of series of fixed luminaries to flood given area continuously. Example, glare protection type. 2. Standby lighting, provides continuous lighting through manual operations. 3. Movable lighting, stationary or portable manually operated searchlights. 4. Emergency lighting, duplication of existing lighting system that is utilized in the event of electric failure. Types of lighting equipment. 1. Street lights, used in parking areas. 2. Searchlights, highly focused incandescent lamps used to pinpoint potential trouble spot. 3. Floodlights, project light in a concentrated beam used in boundaries and fences. 4. Fresnel lights, wide beam units primarily used to extend illumination in long horizontal strips to protect approaches to perimeter barrier. Protective locks and keys. 1. Lock, a mechanical, hydraulic, electrical or electronic device designed to prevent entry into a building, room, container or hiding place and to prevent the removal of items without the consent of the owner. 2. Padlock, portable and detachable lock having or sliding hasp that passes through a staple ring. 3. Peterman, a term used in England for lockpicker, safecracker and penetrators of restricted areas or rooms. Types of locks. 1. Lever locks, used in cabinets, drawers, safe deposit box. 2. Disc tumble locks, used in car doors. 3. Warded locks, offer little security, used only to provide privacy. 4. Combination locks. 5. Card-operated locks. 6. Electromagnetic locks. 7. Code-operated locks. Types of keys. 1. Master key, a special key of opening a series locks. 2. Grand master key, a key that will open everything in a system involving two or more master key groups. 3. Change key, a key to a single lock within a master keyed system. 4. Submaster key, a key will open all lock with a particular area or grouping in a given facility. Types of security cabinets. 1. Safe. 2. Vault. 3. File room. Protective cabinets. It is considered as the third line of defense against unauthorized persons. Key control. It is a system of controlling keys devised and regulated for disposal, storage and withdrawals. Close-in security formations. 1. One-man security, 360 degrees coverage. 2. Two-man security, each guard has 180 degrees coverage. 3. Three-man security, has equal areas of coverage. 4. Four-man security. 5. Five-man security, modified diamond. 6. Six-man security, defensive circle, too much crowd requires arm lock formation. Note, six-man security is the most effective. Defensive in-depth barriers. 1. Outer ring, securing sidewalks, in front of quarters or offices, covering all entrances, front, center, side and rear. 2. Middle ring, security covering inside quarters, office, residence, all stairways and elevators. 3. Inner ring, immediately outside the high-risk personnel door or the one closest to the VIP.